In tough times economically, loan sharks thrive. And we all know these are tough times. But this shady trade is hidden away and victims reluctant to come forward.
People are frightened. People are frightened of the repercussions. We know that illegal moneylenders use fear and intimidation to enforce debts that aren't legally enforceable. And we've seen some really horrible and horrendous cases where people have been abused, threatened, or even attacked because of these illegal debts.
Since the illegal money lending team was set up, it's already helped 18,000 victims nationwide and written off £40 million in illegal debt, securing more than 200 prosecutions. After high-profile convictions in other parts of the country, the illegal money lending team is now targeting Devon. It's open-minded about the extent of the problem, but will be spending the next week on an intelligence gathering exercise. Those in social housing are often the targets, so raising awareness is seen as key to ensuring less people fall into the trap.
People like that who lends money so easily don't think about the person who's borrowing that money. They've got no sympathy for them. You know, if you miss a payment, bang.
I can see the problem because of the time of year it is. Just after Christmas, nobody's got any money, and also the fact that generally we're just skint anyway. So yeah, I can see the problem with it.
They prey on some of the most vulnerable people in our society.
As well as gathering its own intelligence, the illegal money lending team is working with housing associations, the county council and other voluntary groups to identify victims and tackle the problem.
We live in tough economic times at the moment, and people are struggling in certain areas for money, and their first port of call shouldn't be to a loan shark, but quite often it is, and we need to know what the size of the problem is.
But gauging the extent of the problem won't be easy when so many victims are reluctant to come forward. But the reason loan sharks have to use scare tactics is because their repayments are not legally enforceable. Jonathan Gibson for the West Country Tonight.